Hey there, I'm Sanat Srivastav, and in this video, I will tell you how to apply for an attendance correction in your Emgage HRMS app. To raise an attendance correction, open the Emgage app, ensure that you are logged in, and tap on the attendance option in the sidebar. Under attendance, go to monthly attendance, and on the top of the window, select the monthly tab. You will be able to see your entire month's attendance over here. Tap on the date you want to apply the correction for and scroll down to see the modify attendance option. Tap on it and select the relevant option. Then fill the required details and tap on submit. Your request will go to your reporting manager and will be visible under the My Request tab of the approval section on the dashboard. See, that was so easy. For any more queries, you can email us at info@emgage.work or put your queries in the comment section below. And of course, for anything related to HR or Emgage, don't forget to subscribe to Emgage's YouTube channel.